You don't know what you don't know.
You don't know what you don't know.
And you're like my Sherpa.
Let's climb Everest. Let's climb Community Everest together. Hey, welcome to Jane Reacts, where I look at communities and give my unfiltered opinion on what they're doing right and what could be better. Today, we're going to take a look at I Am, a community for independent artists hosted by Scott Fisk. All right, Scott, I want to talk a little bit about gamification because I think you have done a great job in setting up your community values. But what I'm noticing is you are not taking advantage of our leaderboards feature. And I think it's a great fit for your community. So do you know about the leaderboards feature, which we just rolled out relatively recently?
I know that I have that, like when I go into the Mighty Host network itself, I get, like, hey, 3-day streak or this, that, or the other. There's more to it than that.
There's for sure more to it. So if you hover over the star in your top menu there, you can see a couple things. So if you click that, this is like our game center. You'll see that you're on a super hot streak. Love it.
Yeah.
You can see you have a bunch of points because you've been on a streak. You've been showing up. You've been getting those points. That's how it works. And then you have your recognitions. So recognitions are the times when people have said, oh my gosh, Scott, you're embodying the values of this community, and they've spent their points to recognize you for it. And I love especially that you have custom values for your community. And actually, let's go into your admin. So go into the network admin and let's look at your values so everyone can see how beautifully done they are.
Okay.
And you can go to community values. What you've done is you've completely customized these. So inspiring, real deal, energetic, out of the box, rad. Quite possibly one of my favorite values I've seen is just like, you recognize somebody for being freaking rad. And what we see are communities that customize their values. The whole system works better because it's like, wow, going back to seeing and being seen, you're really seeing me for who I am. And you've taken the time to make the values fit the brand of the community, fit the vibe of the community. Fantastic work. I'm giving you your flowers. But you have the leaderboard off. What the leaderboard does is it pulls it all together. So if you turn the leaderboard on, what it will do.
Tell me how.
See global features right up there? Global features. This is going to be on though. Just, I'm telling you, if you turn it on, it's going to be on. I think you should do it. I think we should do it together.
I don't care.
Let's do it. Woohoo!
I feel like Johnny, tell him what he's won. What's behind? You got a new washer and dryer.
This is exciting. Let's go look at your leaderboard. So X out of this. And now you're seeing leaderboard right up there in that left-hand navigation. We've got that leaderboard, so you can click on it. And by the way, you can call it whatever you want. You could call it, I don't know, independent stars. And here's what you see now. You see who is embodying these values, right? So it's giving those members kudos, visibility, John, most inspiring. And what you're going to see now that you have this live is it just clicks for people. Oh, okay, so I can spend my points. I would encourage you to maybe go live and do a little video like, hey, we just turned on leaderboards.
Yeah, like, for example, he's a host of 3 different series.
Nice.
And then he's got, this other stuff, but also down here.
Look at that.
At the end of an event, and he's in Shanghai right now, he'd be like, I can't believe you used me. I can't believe you showed up for that. But I'm showing you, John. What I appreciate is, and I think you just showed me, but I wish I had more recognition badges down here because for some reason I wasn't exactly sure how to take that and make that be one of these.
Well, the
here.
Recognitions are a little bit different from the badges. The badges are really in your control as a host. So you set up the rules of like, here's how you get this badge, and it can be automated or it can be you're just giving somebody a badge. What I love about recognitions and why they're so powerful is we see that 74% of the recognitions are member to member. So members are recognizing each other. And since we've introduced leaderboards, which was like the last piece of this system, we've seen the number of recognitions double. Thousands and thousands of them.
I'm glad you showed me how to do that because I was, so what I do, everybody, is after a live, and Jane's going to be like, oh, Scott, you're so 97. But afterward, I get my little thing like, yay, Scott, you got 20 points. Go share them with your people.
Yes.
And I promptly go and I hit the people that were maybe at the event or the person I interviewed, and I get right to their page and I recognize them. Thank you for being inspiring. Thank you for showing up.
Love
Thank
it.
you for. But Are they doing it back and forth with other people? I think I'm the only person doing it. So is this help them now?
Yes, this will help
Yay.
hugely and make it a part, because first they can just see it so they understand, oh, this recognition is connected to this leaderboard. And you can scroll through the different values. So we're looking at inspiring. You might see somebody who's top for inspiring, but there could be another person who's at the top of the other leaderboard. So it's really cool. And then you can see up in the right-hand side, top recognizers. So people who are recognizing a lot get credit. I bet you're going to be number one. But
Probably.
now you can
Sure.
create a culture. Look at you. You're giving out the most. We've got
I gave
Rocky
out
up there.
125.
You're doing the right thing. Recognize freely. But now that it's visible, and I would encourage you to do a post and be like, we just turned this on. For me and my community, when the leaderboard changes, it refreshes every Monday. I'm always calling out like, oh my gosh, we got a leaderboard upset and like this person is at the top now. It's a really fun way to kind of build excitement around it. But now people kind of understand the function of it. I'm just so happy we have this full system in place because the leaderboard is really fun. There's a chance for anybody to make it depending on the values you have. And if you're just recognizing others, you also get celebrated too. It's a fantastic feature. And when I saw you didn't have it on, I was like, I'm going to talk to Scott about that.
Here's the thing. You don't know what you don't know.
You don't know what you don't know.
And you're like my Sherpa.
Great.
So-
Let's climb Everest. Let's climb Community Everest together. I'm ready.
I dig this. I'm really happy. Thank you for showing me how to do that.
Thanks so much for watching. If it inspired you to start your own Mighty Network, you can start a free 14-day trial today. Or if you already have a Mighty Network and you want me to react to your community, let us know in the comments. We'll track you down and maybe I will gently and lovingly roast you as well. If you have reactions, if you have comments, drop them below. And of course, subscribe to see the next Jane Reacts video.